Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can elementary and also very easy to respond to stories in Instagram app. Friends, please put your likes, write your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. So let us get started with you. Open up the Instagram app. And let's say there are stories at the top here that you can view and put your reactions to them. How do you do that? Well, first of all, open the story by person. And here you'll be able to, while you're viewing the story at the bottom, click on this line here, where you can, first of all, put a reaction. This is some emoji that you made earlier in Instagram on your face. Also here you can choose emoji that are always there, always set in Instagram itself. You can choose some of them if they suit you. This way, you will leave a reaction to that person's story. You can also write some text if you want to respond to that story. Or put those emoji that are more suitable for you. And now, to check if a response has been sent to a person's story, you'll just have to go to Direct. Refresh it a little bit. And as you can see, the reactions that have been put to the person, they are immediately visible. So that's the very simple and quick way, friends, you'll be able to put reactions to stories in your app on Instagram. I really hope you found this video helpful and that it was useful to you. Please write comments, put your likes, and also subscribe to this channel. See you later.